Welcome back, lawn lovers. BW here. Hey, let's plant the garden. It's June 14th today, and I'm a little bit late in planting my peppers and tomatoes this year. A trick to faster planting is this Ball Bogger attachment for my electric drill. It's a 3-inch auger that 3-inch peat pots fit perfectly into. It allows me to auger out the holes and just drop the pots right into the holes. Thankfully, I started the seeds on time so that they're actually growing right on schedule. They're a little bit bigger now for planting, but that will allow me to plant them a little bit deeper this year. I've actually experimented with this in the past and found that planting deeper results in larger, fuller plants. The deeper planting seems to cause roots to grow out from the buried stem, and the plants grow faster and bigger when planted that way. That works for the peppers as well. Once I get the depth I want, it's just a matter of spinning the dirt out of the hole. This goes really fast and I don't have to get down on my hands and knees with a hand trowel. Having the soil at just the right moisture content really helps in the digging process. With too much moisture, the soil can be muddy and sticky, and with too little moisture, it can be too loose and flow back into the hole. I watered the lawn along with the garden yesterday evening, so that I'd have the right amount of moisture in the soil for easy planting today. I like to put about a teaspoon of starter fertilizer into each hole and then water it in before planting. When I started the seeds, I filled the pots with potting soil and 3 seeds of each type of plant. As the seeds grow, I eliminate the smaller, less vigorous plants, leaving just the best looking plant or 2 in each pot. If I leave 2 plants, I'll have extra in case any other pots fail. I can then just divide them to replace the lost pots. If I don't need the extra plants, I just cut one off and plant the remaining plant in its pot. I grow 5 different kinds of peppers, and if all goes as planned, I plant 5 of each variety, along with 2 tomato plants in this 100 square foot garden. This year I'm planting Jalapeños, Serranos, Maneros, Biggie Chilies, and Poblanos. I live in a northern climate, so I make sure to choose varieties that mature early. Later on, I'll put tomato cages around as many of the plants as I can. They help support a heavy crop of fruit and protect them from the strong winds that I get in this open part of the yard. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. And remember, you can do it.